Hey Pawns.app champions, we hope you're riding high on the waves of success with our Quest tab. But guess what? The thrill doesn't stop there. As we gear up for a phenomenal 2024, we're unveiling another spectacular addition to elevate your earning experience. Introducing the Spin the Wheel feature. Stick around because this is one ride you won't want to miss. Number 1, unveiling Spin the Wheel, a quick drive in. Alright Pawns.app trailblazers, it's been a hot minute since we rolled out Quest, and guess what? We're turning it up to 11 with Spin the Wheel. It's like the coolest cousin of Quest, bringing that wow factor. Picture yourself rolling the dice of destiny. That's the vibe we're talking about. Ready to dive into the spin-tastic awesomeness. Number 2, winning big. What's in store? Now let's talk loot. Spin the wheel and oh boy, the possibilities are endless. Points, boosts, lottery tickets, and the piece de resistance cold hard cash. This ain't your grandmother's wheel. It's your gold ticket to leveling up your Pawns.app game. The stakes get higher as the prizes get sweeter. Who said earning couldn't be a thrill? Number 3, embracing limitations for a fair game. Now, here's the deal to keep things spicy. To keep the excitement fair and accessible, we've set some ground rules. You got one free spin every 24 hours, a daily dose of adrenaline, if you will. On top of that, we hit the reset button once a prize limit is reached. It's about ensuring everyone gets a shot at the goodies. Ready to turn the wheel and see what fate has in store for you? Update your Pawns.app to the latest version because the wheel is spinning and the prizes are calling. Best of luck to each and every one of you. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe for more thrilling features on the horizon. Drop a comment below and share your Spin the Wheel success stories. 2024 is shaping up to be legendary, and we're thrilled to have you with us on this ride. Until next time, happy spinning, Pawns.app family.